Alright, first press of the video. Oh shoot, okay, get to an edge. You have to get to an edge. Or just walk normally. It's a game of Spleef, guys. Here we go. This is a bad idea. Oh shoot! Holy frick, dude. Alright. I'm like really like tryharding. Oh. Ah, let's go. Another survivor. Got the blue platform. Huh. Ah. Oh, perfect. Oh, that was perfect. Fun as wow. Rude. Okay, this is easy. Okay, not this again. This happens like all the time. Oh wait, I think I'm going the right way now. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah! And it's ended. Oh. Oh! Oh, it's Baldo! Why is grown-up Caillou in this place? Why is grown-up Charlie Brown here? Oh, R.I.P. Oh! Perfect timing. Yellow is mellow. That doesn't really make any sense. Spam click, I got you. Come on. Oh, baby! I thought we could reach 250, man. I think I was the one that did that all. That means you have to like, whoa. Holy crap, is this what it feels like to get high? Whoa! What? You can go infinite! Yo! Whoa! Whoa, dude. Oh. I was actually watching the latest video here. Here's the extinguish! Give me! Oh my, okay. You gotta click it. Oh. Set! Go! Hurry, man! What are you doing? Dude, the button almost died. You guys are so bad. Uh-oh. Great, now it disappeared. Now it went missing. Why? Why you have to do this to me, button? Le bouton. Oh, they're all the way. Oh my gosh, it was literally just on the other side. And he even got a diamond. I totally clicked that. Again! Perfect. I got it. Oh, what's this? Be ready to fight with laser guns. Okay. Pog you. Oh, piss. Yeah! Am I right, guys? The crew stands up, dude. Not like I have a crew, but the crew stands up. I'm the crew, and you are too. You guys are good people. I like you because of that. Ooh, what's this? Ah! Oh, it's raining bombs! This isn't North Korea! That's a horrible joke. I'm a horrible person for making that joke. You can't mess around with humans. Ah! Okay. Yeah! Yo, everyone sucked. Only 3 people survived. Only 3 people survived. Ah! Oh no! Run away! Lol, you can't catch these moves, man. You can't catch these moves. Come on. I need to find that diamond. I need to find it. Oi. Yes! Oh, shoot. Not again. Okay. Here we go. Oh, piss! No! Okay, I guess I died today. Here we go. This is the digestive system in a nutshell. You guys don't really know how to do it. First you eat, then you poop out. Pretty simple, you know. This is so stupid. Press the bouton. Le bouton. Oh, okay. You ready to see these juke skills? Come on. Yeah! Right through the cracks. Okay, that was perfectly cut out. This is actually kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, come on. Remember, always go right. Right is the best place. What? Piss. I guess nothing was right at that point. Get the joke? No? Okay. Let's push this off. Let's get a moment of silence for the Doge. Okay, we're done. Yeah. What? Oh, shoot! I need to come on. Go alive. Alive. What? Come on. Dude didn't even get a chance to do it. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice Portal reference. Yeah! I am a blood god. I'm not the blood god, but I am a blood god in my opinion. Wait! What? Oh shoot, that was amazing. By my own kind as well. I tolerate that. You're dead. A brew. Go in. Oh. Why am I so wide? This is a Kylo Ren moment. Alright, come on, eat me. Oh shit! Push it off. What are you doing? Okay, here's the trick. You open your... Oh, okay, I guess... Okay, so you zoom out, right? And then you're able to see the rooftops and things, and then just look at your pizza box, and that's it. You win game. Fun, right? Aw, I'm not wide anymore. Now I am skinny. I'm so flat, people call me Trap. Okay, whatever. Oh, no! Okay, the trick is, always go right, because, you know, everything goes right when you go right. I totally didn't learn the first time. Oh! Oh. Alright, let's see the picture. Yeah! 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 Go! No! I'm gonna gorilla smash my desk one day. What do you mean, smiley face? They knew I was gonna eliminate everyone, so they came out of blood. Come on, man. Alright, everyone. Hope you enjoy today's she just saw Vsauce. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please smash like. Comment what you'd like to see next. And I'll see you guys later, I guess. Peace out. Bye.